Happy.
श्रवणाद्यासकृत्कार्या आवर्त्यावासकृत्यतः शास्त्रार्थस्तावकासिद्धे त्रया जातौ सकृत्कृते आवर्त्यादर्शनान्तास्ते तण्डुलान्तावघातवत् दृष्टेऽत्र सम्भवत्यर्थे नादृष्टं कल्प्यते बुधैः
श्रवणाद्याः सकृत्कार्याः वा आवर्त्याः श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन सकृत्कार्याः should they be taken to once or avartyaha should be repeated? This is the doubt. This is sakrit means it should be done once. Why? Yataha tavata shastrarthaha. Sakrit, they should be taken to only once because shastrartha means shastra phala is gained by doing once. In karma kanda you do once upasana, you do once and you get the result. Now don't bring upasana because upasana sometimes may need repetition. Upasana up to the mark only once and so. So like karma, tavata. So that tavata means only done once it gives the result for which illustration is given. Yatha tavata shastrartha siddhe. By doing once only, result of karma is gained. Yatha, add there yatha prayajadav sakrutkritehi. Prayaja is anga of darsha purnamasa. This anga, how many times done? Only once. Like that, shravana means nidhyasana or anga of what? Atma darshana. So therefore it should be done once. Siddhanta. Te तंडुलांतावघातवत् आवर्त्याः दर्शनांताः आवर्त्याः ते means what? श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन श्रवण निधिध्यासन say what should be done, say darshan tandul illustration is pounding the paddy to remove the husk. How long you do? Until you get the rice. All husk goes until you get the rice you pound. What is that? Once. Then be a donkey and eat the paddy only. So that's it. I think donkeys also will not eat it. Tandulantavaghatva, like pounding the paddy until the total husk is removed. It says darshanantaha avartyaha. Shravan Madhyasana should be repeated until darshana. What is darshana? Brahma sakshatkara. So that's why it says atra drishte arthe sambhavati. Sakshatkara is drishta prayojana or adrishta prayojana. Right now here it can be verified. So therefore sadhana to be taken until the phala is gained. It is not adrishta, so therefore it says atra means here in the case of Atma Vidya where the drishta phala in the form of sakshatkara is possible. Here in the case of Atma Vidya where drishta phala in the form of Atma sakshatkara is possible. So there should be one word. So long as drishta phala is gained like rice free from husk. So there Udhai adrishtam na kalpate. Wise people don't imagine adrishta phala. Adrishta phala means what? Phala that comes hereafter. They don't imagine. Why? Phala is right now here. Why phala is right now here? You see that. Take the Nyaya Nirnaya, first line.
पूर्वाध्यायान्तिमाधिकरणे मोक्षे प्रतिनियमाभावः दर्शितः। पूर्वाध्यायस्य अन्तिमे अधिकरणे, पूर्वाध्यायस्य अंतिमे अधिकरणे, in the last adhikarana of the earlier chapter, that is third chapter, mokshe prati niyamasya abhavaha. Mokshe prati, with respect to moksha, there is no niyama. There is no varying degree of moksha. Moksha is one and the same. That was pointed out earlier. Samprati, now, moksha upayika vidya sadhaneshu. Moksha upayika vidya sadhana. The sadhana of vidya, which are upaya for moksha. So vidya sadhana. What are they? Namely, shravanadi. Now shravanadishu, with respect to shravana, etc., adishu, आवृत्त्यानुष्ठान प्रतिनियमं दर्शयति. आवृत्त्यानुष्ठान प्रतिनियमं दर्शयति. आवृत्तस्य अनुष्ठानं प्रति, with respect to अनुष्ठान, taking to आवृत्ति. आवृत्ति means repetition. Repetition of the thing, niyamam darshayati. The rule is being pointed out. Rule is pointed out. So niyamam darshayati. दर्शयति. आवृत्ति इति. आवृत्ति असकृत उपदेश. Actually, we should take first the bhashya of connecting bhashya of 4th chapter to 3rd chapter. But Nyaya, they connected the sutra first and then the thing we will go with that for the Nyaya. Avritti is what? Repetition. Sadashiv Brahmendra says, Shadjadi Swara Sakshatkara. Shadja Swara. In the, I don't know much about music. In music, 4th Swara. 4th Swara, a difficult one, is called as what? As the Shadja. Shadja means born of 6 angas. Nasa, then kantham, throat. Uraha, that is the chest. Talu, palate. Jivha, tongue. Dantasya, samsprisham, shadya, jayate, sanjayate. Shadvya, sanjayate, is shadvya, which is born from 6 angas. They say the peacock sound resembles this shadjashvara. It's difficult, it's very difficult. Now this person is trying music early morning, he decides how long he will do until he gets the perfection. Until he gets the perfection. Till then, all around people should suffer. they should suffer because now what is necessary is repetition. Repetition is necessary. How long repetition? Until perfection. Until perfection. Other than that, is that you start cycling, you learn, etc. until you look somewhere and ride it. So like that. So that's what Shadjadiswara Sakshara Durvidneyatma Samskarasya Avritti. Durvidneya Atma Samskarasya Avritti. Avritti, repetition. That is what? Atma Sakshatkarasya, repetition of Atma Sakshatkara, which is Durvidneya. It is what? Durvidneya. Dukkena Vijnatum Shakyam. Now think of it, okay? Vedanta, they think that if that tries you will get it. That is Paroksha Jnana. Paroksha Jnana. Now, Sadashiv Brahmendra knows all that. He is a Jivan Mukta. He is a great yogi. You know, Durvidneyatma Sakshatkarasya Avritti. So it is how it can be accomplished. Vishishta Shravanadi Sadhyataya. It is sadhya by Vishishta Shravanadi. Why Vishishta Shravanadi? Because that Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana should be backed up by Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, Shuddhanta Karana, Kirtana Ishchalya. All these must be there. Prasaditya Tadavrittihi Tasya Anushtanasya Avrittihi, repetition of the practice of the Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, Avrittihi. Say Kartavya, to be added there, Kartavya. How come? Why so? Kutaha? Here is the answer given by Sutrakara. Asakrit Upadesha. Upadesha is repeatedly given. How? Shrotavyaha, Mantavyaha, Nididhyasitavyaha. Shrotavyaha, Mantavyaha, Nididhyasitavyaha. Iti Ityadi Asakrit Upadesha. So repeated instruction is there from the Shruti. So that now this is not applicable only to Atma Sakshatkar. This is true for all upasanas. So Sadashiv Brahmendra include Evam Veda Ya Evam Veda Upasita Ityadi Shravana Upasya Sakshatkara Palahetushu Upasaneshu Avritti Bodhya. Wherever Sakshatkara is the result, Avritti is necessary, because Phala is Drishta. Until the Drishta, how long will it? Until you are the hunger is appeased, is not enjoyed the fullness. What is that? Otherwise, one spoon is over. भोजन करने का ना भोजन किया बस. No. Until the Drishta Phala comes, you have to do. Phala Hetushu. Avritti, it suggests the Avritti. So therefore, Avritti Asakra Upadesha. Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana has to be taken to how? Repeatedly until Darshana is gained, Sakshatkara is gained, because the Phala is Drishta Phala, as in the case of pounding the paddy. Pounding the paddy is to get the rice. Until you get the rice, go on pounding. You can't just pound only once and keep quiet. Now, further reason is given. Line 5, 9 and 9. Vishaya Sakshatkara Phaleshu Pratyayeshu Avrittau Hetvantaram Aha. Hetvantaram, other Hetu is what told. Other Hetu is told. What is that? Is Vishaya Sakshatkara. What is Vishaya? Upasya Vishayanam Sakshatkara Phaleshu. So here, context is of Shravana Manana, Nididhyasana. But it is applicable to Upasana also. It is applicable to Upasana where Upasya Sakshatkara is involved. It is applicable there, because that is why Veda, Upasita are with respect to Upasana. So, though context is of Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, it is equally applicable to Upasana. Vishaya Sakshatkara Phaleshu means Upasya Vishayanam Sakshatkara Phaleshu. With respect to the Phalas, where Sakshatkara, direct Darshana of Upasya Devata is involved, Pratyayeshu Avritti. Pratyaya is Anushtana. The repetition of Anushtana has to be taken to. For this, what is told? Hetvantaram Aha. Another reason is given. Lingacha. Cha stands for Avritti Karya. Linga. What linga? Shruti linga is there. A clear-cut proof, evidence of the Shruti is there to that Upasana or such Kriyas have to be taken to repeatedly. So what is it? It is like that. That is in Chandogya we find. See, it is like this. The Upasana start we'll see in the Bhashya only. And then he says, son, Kaushitaka says, tell the son, I did the Upasana of Udgita with the Surya Drishti, Aditya Drishti. But how did I do? I took the Upasana as one whole Aditya combined with the rays. As a result, I got only one sun, you. I could not get many suns. So therefore what you do Udgita Upasana with Surya Drishti, with Aditya separate and rays separate. So you will get the many suns. But here first he condensed the together Upasana. Context is about Upasana. Then he introduces the separate Upasana, and at that time he doesn't say Upasita, he says Paryavatarya. Paryavatarya means what? And you are aware of the word Avartana, Rudra Avartana, Archana Avartana, repetition. So Paryavartayat. That is Paryavatarya it is, but Paryavartaya is repeatedly take to this Upasana. Who has told this directly? Shruti Linga is there or not? That Upasanas have to be taken to repeatedly. So that is what is said there. So Linga, because of Linga, the Sadashiva Brahmendra gives a Linga meaning as Nyaya. Nyaya means rule. What rule? Like this. In Udgita Upasana, repetition is told. It is applicable for all other dhyana and upasana. Why? They are also dhyana and upasana. So therefore it is applicable that way. It is to be taken to.